Trafinator here. Welcome back to the Bed of Belief 2024. Today I'm going to show you how to pollinate a zucchini plant effectively. Let's see if I can get this to focus a little bit. Okay, so I have a Q-tip that I've just smeared pollen all over. I took the Q-tip and put it in the male flower, which, by the way, the male flower just has a stem. It doesn't have any baby-shaped zucchini. This is a female flower, which has zucchini behind the flower. But as you see, this flower has a little baby zucchini. That's the female. So I'm going to take this Q-tip that I have with this pollen, and I'm going to insert it inside of the stigma. This is the stigma of the flower. I'm just going to take it and kind of, there we go. I'm going to get that open. Kind of push down on here first. There we go. So I'm taking it and I'm kind of rubbing it all in, making sure it all kind of gets in here. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's, I don't know if you can see, but it's getting all on and in the stigma, and I'm just rubbing like that. Hold on, wait a second, let's see. So I'm just getting all in here. There we go, hold on. Let me see. Just all in. I'm just doing it like circular. For some reason, when I leave these on their own, there's not a whole lot of pollinators out. But this next step I do just to make sure that it's pollinated, because sometimes I do this and it doesn't pollinate. I'm going to pull this part out of the male called the anther, and then oh dang, what happened? Okay, here it is. And then I'm going to take this, right? I hope this is it. Yeah, this is it. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to insert it. I'm going to just put it right in. There we go. I just stuck that right in the female. So we're gonna see. We're gonna come out here tomorrow. Ooh, and we're gonna see what happens. I'll show you a close-up of it right here like this. The anther, because it's got all this pollen on it. So that's the main part of the plant that produces the pollen. So what I've just done is I've stuck it down in the female, so all the pollen I'll get as much pollen as possible in the female. So we're gonna come back tomorrow.